Manoj, welcome to our channel BHU Shiksha. And Manoj secured All India rank 156 and got IIT Bombay for pursuing MSc degree from Geology, Applied Geology. Welcome Manoj.
Thank you, bro. Thanks a lot.
First of all, congratulations for your achievement.
Thank you.
Here I want to mention the objective of this channel and the video that we made. That is, we want to connect like a chain different universities of all over the India, so that it's easy to help other students of geology to grow in the field. In this channel we will provide interviews and lectures of geology for IIT JAM purpose and GATE purpose, CSR net, and apart from that we will also provide some documentaries and physics and geography lectures also. So let's start with Manoj. So how you feel, Manoj, for you are getting selected in IIT Bombay?
Yes, bro. Very happy that in the first attempt I have cleared and I have got IIT Bombay. It's very special for me. And this is the first exam I have written as a competitive exam. Yes.
Yeah. So firstly, we start Manoj. To introduce our other ones to briefly tell about yourself.
Yes, bro. I'm Manoj from Chennai. Hello, everyone. I'm Manoj from Chennai, and have done my schoolings in St. Sebastian Pallavaram, which is located in Chennai. And I did my graduation from Presidency College, which is very close to the Marina Beach. You would have heard that Marina Beach is the world's second longest beach, and in India, it is the first longest beach. Yes. When you enter out of the college and you are seeing that nature is playing with you and nature is kicking, boosting you up, it's very great. And this is my qualification.
Okay, we will start some questions that how and when and why you choose geology as a subject in graduation.
Yes, if I want to tell you about my selection of geology as an undergraduate study, it was an accident. I didn't know that there was a word like geology still after my 12th public result. And I wrote the NEET examination, and I have also entered till the counseling process, but I didn't get seat there. And after that I heard that there was a course like geology, and after that I enrolled in this course, and that was really an accident. I don't know geology as a subject itself after 12th, and I should say that it is an accident that I have fallen in here.
Yeah. So many of the person, like when we meet someone and he asks me that which course you are graduating, which course. So when we tell geology, so what was the reaction?
Geology. So, zoology. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not zoology, it's geology.
You have to explain what is geology.
Yes.
So
Yes.
apart from explaining, they also tell that is it geography or so.
Yes.
So which branch of geology you like most till now?
Till now, petrology I like the most, because still the second year of my undergraduation, I don't like geology and all, because it's all and all theoretical process, paleontology, stratigraphy. You have to read the books itself. So when I introduced to petrology, it was like, and that part only I have knowledge about this is the geology and these are the processes which giving rise to the economic deposits. Because geology, in the sense, we are not going to apply everything in the field or in our job, because the processes and the economic deposits, that is the only thing we are going to apply in our job. So petrology I like the most.
Okay, petrology. Okay.
Yes, petrology.
So petrology is your favorite topic in the geology?
Yes, favorite, but I have not read everything about it, but I like the most.
It's okay. no one know everything about any subject or topic. They try to like interested in the topic. So if you effort, you can achieve that amount of knowledge. Okay.
Yes.
So please tell me something about your department in Presidency College, about your geology department.
Yes, in a general sense, Presidency College was one of the oldest colleges that British India has built up, and geology in Presidency College is one of the oldest in India. And you would see that many rare samples which are taken from many foreign countries, and it is nicely placed there. You could see all metal samples and rock samples there, which are very rare. Yes.
Oh.
And other than that, surrounding which has Presidency College is very good. The greenery, the beach, and everything.
Yeah. So in your college, you have geological tour. You want to tell something about your geological tour visit?
Yes, we are fortunate that I have been to college for 1.5 years of my undergraduation. I should have gone to 3 years, but due to pandemic and all, I have gone to college for only 1.5 years. And with that, we got a very good opportunity to go and visit one of the famous places in India for Cretaceous time period, the Tiruchirappalli successions and Ariyalur areas. Yes, Tiruchirappalli. Yes, we have spent about 5 days, I think, and we have been to most of places there which are known for geology. Yes, there especially I have to say that there is an area called Uttatur, and where we can find that Uttatur potato and all. We can find the round rocks. Yes, that famous for that. And yes, Cretaceous area we have gone for the 5 days.
It's a nice experience in geological too. So if the geology is incomplete without of this geological tour. So geological tour is actually very important in our courses, like in geology. So let me start about actual IIT JAM. So from where you know about IIT JAM exam, that how you prepare?
Yes, till the first year of my course, I have not heard that there is an examination called JAM, and we would also can pass JAM and we can enter IIT and all. I heard that from my senior that they are also preparing for JAM when I was in second year. And after I knowing the JAM examination and all, I felt that the teaching was not up to the mark for JAM, and we also don't have any coaching for in our languages or in Hindi. It is in English, but it is minimum, I think. Most of the places we can get coaching in Hindi, but it was an unfortunate thing, I think, and that was the thing going on in my mind. How am I going to clear JAM, and what should I write it?
Yeah.
If there was no pandemic, and if there was no lockdown, I would not have written JAM examination and all. And that was the time period where I prepared for JAM, and it would result in it.
Okay. So is you join any coaching for preparation of IIT JAM?
Yes, I've been to some of the online coachings, but the language problem I had in Hindi has affected me, and we had also have a native language coaching institute called MS Christian Academy, and that also boosted up my basics. And apart from that, online sources are my most beneficial.
Yeah. Online sources provide you many information. There is a problem of regional language in subject, so wherever you find some documents you could read. Okay.
Yes.
So the important part, that is how you prepare IIT JAM exam. What is the key strategy that you follow to secure this rank?
Yes, the first thing I did was previous year's papers, because I first went into the previous year's papers, and previous year's papers will tell you that how was the trend and what was the important topics that we need to study, right? So there are many topics, 20 topics which have been given in syllabus, but they are not. They are all not going to come in examinations. The repetitive part and the most important part are the only things that are going to come in examinations. So without any source, I just went to the previous papers and I just analyzed it. And other than that, I just studied what are all the topics which have been asked in examinations in the previous papers. Yes. And that is the thing. I didn't go with the books, but the topics which have been asked in previous years, that is the thing I went and used to read.
Okay. So you first go through previous year question and analyze it, and after that you make a topic and you go to study the topic thoroughly. So in IIT JAM exam, which part of questions you like most, like MSQ, MCQ or NAT?
Yes, everything is good, but I hate MSQs because that is the thing which there is no negative marks in it, but you have in mind that these are the answers that are going to be, but always it's going to be wrong, and up to me, like, yes, apart from that, MCQs was good and easy though, and the NAT first part was good. The first 10 questions, 1 mark.
Okay, so this year IIT JAM exam, what you feel that it is hard, or simple, or medium? What do you think?
Yes, MSQ was a bit hard, I think, and I have, up to my knowledge, I have saved everything in MSQs, but I have got only 2 correct. I have got only 4 marks out of 20. Yes, and in MCQs, I have opted some, but it also came wrong in some parts. Yes.
It's okay. I want to know about just some basic books that you follow in preparation of this exam.
Yes, everyone will list out the same, that for geology, for undergraduate examinations you take for JAM and you take for Pondicherry, BHU, everything. The Bible for UG completed exams is Mahabharata and K.M. Mangar. And I have gone through some of the topics in Mahabharata and K.M. Mangar, and apart from that, I used to read earth materials, which is good for mineralogy, and it is good for the earth and its planets and the first part of the syllabus.
Yeah.
And it is Mahabharata and K.M. Mangar is also good for the first part of the syllabus. And crystallography crystallography and mineralogy come under material, and it is also easy to read. And sedimentary part I gone through from Sengupta, and Sengupta is the most I read for sedimentary, but in Chambangs also I have gone through some of the chapters. And Igneous and Metamorphic Bible for this is Winter, and Economic Umesha Prasad.
Okay.
Stratigraphy I have gone through K.M. Mangar, and paleontology through P.C. Jain and Amal Das Gupta. Just follow only one book for paleontology and stratigraphy. Don't go with many books, because many books are connected.
For structural geology, which book you prefer?
Yes, structural geology for JAM, I think we shall not go up to any higher level, right, like Akenforsen, or up to my knowledge, Akenforsen is very vast book, and for JAM and the UG examinations, it is likely to go for Mahabharata, K.M. Mangar, and
MP Billings.
Yes, Billings is good.
Yeah. So you choose any test series before the examination?
Yes, I took test series of Earthshastra that was conducted by a group of IITian, I think, and other than that, I had an opportunity to talk with my alumni, who is the director of GS, I think, and he used to take tests for us. He will give us a book, and he will give us a limit of pages to read, and with that pages, he used to take questions from that. And this was the thing I gone through. His name is Ayasami sir, and this was the thing I used to take.
Yeah. So what do you think that test series, what is the importance of test series in this preparation?
Yes, when you have a basic knowledge and wanted to clear that your concepts are good for single topic and you can opt for test series, but don't go without any knowledge of it, because it will boost up your pressure and you will have to, it will bring you a stress like kind. Okay, so
Yeah.
first better go through the basics of it, in
After
which
that,
you are going.
after
Yes,
that you
after
have to
that,
go to test series. Yeah. So what is your revision strategy for your preparation time?
first I have gone through the previous papers and then I read the parts which have been asked in previous papers, and then for the 1 month or 2 months I have gone through the numerical formulas and all, and in that last 2 months or 3 months I have read which are in the syllabus, because I would have reduced the syllabus because of the previous papers, right?
Yeah.
So I have gone through the remaining parts of it too, but a little bit I have gone through the remaining parts which I have left in the previous year's paper analysis.
Yeah.
That was the last time preparation of it, and I concentrated more numerical in the last time examination.
So in this, what you feel? NAT is good or extremely changed pattern? What do you think?
Yes, some of the questions are new, and that was not, I have been not to it, but some of the questions are same like previous year papers. Well, I have to mention 2-3 questions are of the same kind of the previous year papers.
So it's a very important question that many of the students are feeling problems in its preparation to IIT JAM and other preparation. So at the time of preparation, you have got any problem that?
Yes, I have told that only in the second year I have heard that there is an examination called JAM, and after hearing that I have googled it and gone through what is the examination and all. The first thing that I had is, how am I going to write this JAM examination, because JAM examination is the toughest examination for UG, I think. Other than that, it is all coming under JAM, and due to lack of source and lack of knowledge, the first thing I had was, how am I going to approach it? And first, see, don't underestimate yourself for going to the previous papers or anything first. First, have a knowledge, basic knowledge in every subject that you are going to touch. You have to touch every subject, because after that only, if there is a question in economic geology or paleontology, you can go and revise in books that this topic is important for this examination, and we have to read it in some books or that. So after that, I used to look up the basics of geology, which I had not been to in the first years or second years, and in the third year only I have started analyzing the previous year's papers, and I have preparing for JAM. Yes, in the second year, full time I was doing was strengthening my basics. Yes, this was only provided a good strategy for the previous year's paper.
Yes, we can say your effective preparation start from third year.
Yes.
Okay. So you are go through papers and go through exam, and you got IIT Bombay. So you have any suggestion to your juniors, our audience? What are the major thing that he or she should do we follow?
Yes, as I said, don't see JAM as a very toughest exam, and first set up your mind that you can clear JAM examination very well. And up to my knowledge, it is enough that you are going to effectively prepare for JAM for at least 8 months. 8 months to 6 months is very good and effective, and if you are consistent and doing everything right in that 8 months or 6 months.
Yeah.
And keep in mind that it is going to be easy for you, and don't stress your mind that you don't know anything. Before going into previous year's papers, just go through the basic books which all are referring, and I think all over India the same books are read by students and read by the competitors, your competitors. Okay, so go through the same books which have been mentioned by me or by your seniors or by your friends, and from these books only the questions are going to come. Okay, so don't fear that you are not going to clear jam or like that. So first have a confidence in you that you are going to clear jam, and you are going to study in IIT in your first attempt and
Yeah.
go through the basics of geology every branch. Okay, so don't wait for the subjects which are going to come in the next semester or in the next year, but have an idea of everything. That will enhance your confidence power in analyzing the previous year papers.
Yeah. So here Manoj mentioned that previous year paper is actually as important because it tells about how you prepare your what topic are important. Okay. So what are your future plans that in the field you are Manoj?
Yes, till now I have no idea about it, but uh, I should think about it. Till now I have no idea, and I should think about it.
Okay, it's okay. So you are going to IIT Bombay, so you will think in 2 years, and my best wishes for your future.
Yes, thank
And
you.
so my last question is that you got such a good university for studying. So what are the person that are the major role of your preparation or your selection?
Yes, the first thing I have to mention is my parents. They gave me a good opportunity to study, and they also gave me a good place to study where it is the necessary thing. Environment which which you or I myself surrounds matters a lot, because that is the thing going to decide what you are doing, and other than that, the hope which is inside you, that is
Yeah.
the second thing. If you are not hoping your process, then it is ultimately going to fall it in a pothole. Okay, then it is the thing, and my faculties are very helpful in my college, and other than that, my IR Sami sir was so helpful in all the doubts I have been asking him,
In the
and
preparation
from
time.
yes, from night 12 to again another day 12, he was very helpful for me, and I should thank him in this moment.
So thank you Manoj for joining us our channel to give me about your preparation strategy and some of the suggestion to the juniors and other viewers. So thank you Manoj. Best of luck.
Thank you so much, bro. Congratulations for you.